Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been on a website looking for something but ended up lost and frustrated as you couldn't find the answers you were looking for? You probably even went on the site to pick a product that had one tiny little question before you could make the purchase. But sadly, there was no one around to give you the answer that you were looking for. Right when you're about to make your purchase decision, business lost a customer. Have you ever thought that the same thing could be happening to your business too? Listen to me carefully for a couple of minutes. If you want to unlock the secret of big brands like Amazon, Starbucks, H&M, Max, MasterCards, Best Bikes, and so on, I'm going to let you know their secret that gets them more leads, sales, better engagement, improved customer satisfaction, and so much more. So as a business owner, you put in all the effort, money to bring in so much traffic and let the traffic drop off just because you aren't around to guide your leads and prospects? The best time to make a sale is when the customers are ready. Unfortunately, there is no second best time. The same may be happening to your customers too. They are made to wait 24 hours or even more just to get answers to simple queries on your support desk. Can you imagine how frustrating that can be? What if you can do more sales with the same amount of traffic? Just with a small fix on your sites? What if you get more revenue even without you being around? Hold on to that thought. Today's consumers look for instant solution to problems or queries so that they can make buying decisions. As per HubSpot, 90% of consumers think that an immediate response is crucial when they ask a customer service question. 80% of consumers think that immediate response is important when they ask a marketing and sales question. Immediate response means 8 minutes or less. Yes, that's right. For that you need to be around 24/7, but that is not possible. Right? Most businesses do not have the luxury to hire 24/7 support agents. Even if they do, they are unable to train them to perfection. Human cannot work tirelessly 24/7, cannot handle multiple requests. Humans are even prone to making errors. But you may be thinking small businesses do not have access to affordable technology that can help them automate the process. But this is changing forever today. I am super excited to bring to you intelligent AI robots that will learn any business in seconds. Answers your question smartly that to 24/7. It is called AI Autobots or AI Chatbots. And these Autobots will be your 24/7 employee working tirelessly to grow your business. You can train your own AI Autobot in simple steps, create your own AI bot with any data source. It can be a URL, text or a file, or Google Docs. Customize your AI Autobot, embed anywhere you want, and start profiting in less than a minute. You can have your own fully trained, intelligent bot ready to roll. This AI Autobot can be sitting at a widget on your website, or it can be even embedded on any page. Or even you can integrate your social media, like GMB, Facebook, etc., to get leads from these sources as well. I Am Anaeth is on a mission to help you take advantage of AI and its natural language processing capabilities to be available for your customers 24/7 and boost your sales, engagement, leads, customer satisfaction, and so much more. This is in fact the secret of brands. Even though they can afford to hire 24/7 agents, they turn to artificial intelligence to be available for their customers around the clock. H&M uses AI chatbot digital style assistants to gather user preferences and help them pick products of their choice, and uses the data to target them with relevant ads. It also helped increase online sales by 15%. Starbucks uses an AI chatbot to help customers place orders at a nearby store. The convenience and the speed of the system increased their customer loyalty. MasterCard implemented AI chatbot to assist users to check their balance, monitor transactions, and giving personalized offers, which led to increased customer satisfaction and reduced the call center. And increased customers by 25%. How cool is that? And this is the secret of big brands. There are some case studies on how AI chatbots are helping brands with their sales or customer support and so on. Big brands are using AI to their advantage. However, small businesses are not taking advantage. Statistics also suggest AI chatbots are going to be the future. The chatbot market is valued at $6.5 billion in 2024 and $29.2 billion by 2030. Forbes report says companies using AI in sales have reported up to a 50% increase in leads, reduced call time by as much as 70% and reduced costs by up to 60%. By 2025, 60% of B2B sales organizations will transition from experience and intuition-based selling to data-driven selling, merging their sales process, sales applications, sales data and sales, according to Gartner. Revenue increases from adopting AI are reported most often in marketing and sales, and cost decreases most often in manufacturing, according to McKinsey's recent global AI survey. As per a study, businesses increased sales by 67%, and chatbots reduced customer service costs by 30%. In this generation, 74% of consumers preferred chatting with an AI bot over an agent for the conversations, and sometimes even up to 70% of transactions via chatbot. AI chatbot are expected to hit $100 billion by 2024. In 2024, chatbots are expected to save 5 million hours of work. Are you ready to enjoy all of these awesome benefits in your own business? With AI Autobots, you can get this increase in sales, increase in lead generation, savings on customer support costs. Save countless man-hours, automate your sales, automate lead generation, increase website engagement, get more ROI on the same traffic, improve your website conversions, reduce website bounce rates, provide instant gratification to your customers, improve customer satisfaction. Have a competitive advantage. Be available for your prospects and customers 24/7. Save time, effort, and money. Focus your energy on things which need your attention. You may be thinking there are chatbots already in the market, and how different are AI chatbot or AI Autobots? Regular chatbots uses keyword triggers to give standard responses, whereas AI Autobots uses natural language processing capabilities to give the best answer possible. The responses from AI Autobots are more unlimited, dynamic, more appropriate and human-like. This also leads to higher engagement and improved customer satisfaction. While chatbots need to be backed by a human agent. AI Autobots can function autonomously. AI Autobots are the future, and with the advent of AI, thankfully, we don't have to be stuck with meaningless and robotic conversations anymore. Wondering how you can benefit using AI bots? Be it a small business, consultant, mold business owners, digital coach, an e-commerce store, or even a doctor. Everyone can benefit by using their own intelligent AI Autobots. Real estate business can use AI bots to generate leads, share information about property, open houses, and so much more. Commerce businesses can use AI bots to tell about product features, descriptions, information about offer payment options, return policy, and so on. Service providers can use AI bots for customer support to deal with frequently asked questions, doubts, and so on. Digital products businesses can use AI bots to handle sales queries, feature-related queries, and many more. Travel and hospitality businesses can use AI bots to share information about tours, packages, plans, travel tips, and the list goes on. Fitness studios, yoga studios, gyms can use AI bots to give diet tips, weight loss plans, and exercises for specific issues. In a lot more course provider institutes, schools can use AI bots to provide information about courses, admission fees, admission process, and deadlines, and assist people in enrolling for the course that best suits them. Banking financial institutions can use AI bots to suggest schemes, investment plans, loans, interest rates, and so much more. Food blogs and travel blogs can use AI bots for recipe suggestions, information about places, and so on. HR departments and companies can use the bot to help employees with regular queries, company policies, onboarding, and much more. Digital agencies can use it to offer information about services, inclusions, suggestions on the latest digital trends, and so on. Restaurants and cafes can use AI bots to display menus. Allergen information chef special item recommendations. Roofers, mold removal and remodification services, pest controller, event management, AC repair and service, mansion service business, home services, installers, repair works, remodelers, appliance services, exterior home, plumbing services, HVAC services, paint and drywall repairs, cleaning, landscaping. List is on and on. Every business can make use of the AI Autobots to gain a massive advantage. Train the AI using the website URL, Google Docs. A list of Q&As. Use a combination of sources to train the AI. Embed the AI Autobot on any page. Even multiple pages have AI Autobot as a widget. Customize the Autobot, send welcome messages, collect leads and add to autoresponders. Set email notifications. Set up pre-filled questions, ability to handle multiple conversations, set appointment, 24/7 ability, train as you want. Ability to update the AI anytime. Time-based chat initiation, complete visitor analytics done for you, personalized conversations, texts etc. If you're a business owner on an e-commerce store, digital service provider, agency, brief. Answer your digital store owner, creator, HR professional or executive, real estate agent, spa, doctor, chiropractor, tropical blogger, restaurant and cafe, roofers, mold removal and remodification services, pest controller, event management, AC repair and service, mason service business, home services, installers, repair works, remodelers, appliance services, exterior home, plumbing services, HVAC services, paint and drywall repairs, cleaning, landscaping. This is definitely for you. With AI Autobots, no more losing sales. No more struggling to keep up with your customers. No more missing leads, no more losing your website traffic, no more unhappy customers. No more lower engagement and poor conversions. You can enjoy increased sales, more leads, lesser bounce rates, better engagement, increased customer satisfaction, more return on investment, provide instant solutions, and quicker response time. Repeated customers gain trust and dependability. Get a competitive advantage. So, if you are a business owner, hire a new employee. AI chatbots who never sleep, tired less, vacation-free employee who can serve you 24/7. So what are you waiting for? Do not miss this opportunity. Take advantage as big brands thrive with this. So contact us or book a short call. I will see you on the inside.